Hi everyone, my name is Daniela Gomez and I'm a marketing student at Florida International University, and I'm making this video to show you how to access your eText as well as the different assignments that we have. So you're going to go ahead and go to, this should be your first page once you go through My Lab and click on your course. You're going to go ahead and go to eText to launch your eText. We're going to be looking at some of the features that this eText book might have that your other ones might not. So this is over here we have the table of contents, and it's kind of self-explanatory, but you have the chapters and as well as the sections. We're going to go ahead and go to the audio version of the textbook, where you can actually go through each chapter and each section to go ahead and select economic and play and play the audio version. You also can go ahead and increase speed and decrease speed. So basically like an audiobook. And we're going to go ahead and look at the highlighting. So over here we have different highlighters. We have 3 different colors. We have yellow, green, and pink. So for example, you can go ahead and click on pink and write a new note. So if this would be an important statement in the textbook, you can go ahead and do that. And as you can see, I have them highlighted differently. You can go ahead and go to your notebook and actually filter them by color. So for example, you can see all your yellow ones and each chapter, as well as you can click on them and they will bring you to that chapter and the place where you highlighted them. You can also see all of the other ones. You can see chapter 1, chapter 2, and so on, as well as your little notes. So for example, we'll be on test, we'll be on quiz, important, and so on. The next feature that we're going to look at is the study feature. So over here we have the different chapters and we have the key terms. So for example, for chapter 3, we can go ahead and click on it, and you can see that we have 43 total flashcards. These flashcards are different. They're not only just flashcards, they can be multiple choice, fill in the blank, type in. So you can go ahead and click on practice and see the difference. So over here, we have the flashcard format. We have the vocab word, and then we have the definition. So you can also favorite it. Let's go ahead and go to the next one and see. So this is the multiple choice. You're going to go ahead and click on your answer. It tells you the correct one. Here we have a normal flashcard. And so on. Again, we have fill in the blanks and type in the answers. So, and once you finish, you can go ahead and see your progress. So as you can see, you have 39 not seen, 4 started, 0 learned, and you can go ahead and filter it through your to your favorite ones as well if you want. Now that we have gone through the text, the eText book, we're going to go ahead and go back and click on assignments. So over here we are in assignments. We have our warm-up, which is warm-up practice questions. It's very factual based and similar how it would be to in the quiz. We have the dynamic study modules, video assignments, which is where you have a video and questions following it. Then we also have a simulation, which is kind of applying what you learned in the chapter to a real life scenario. It's pretty cool. I think that helps you learn a lot. So I recommend doing that. And now we're going to go ahead and click on the actual dynamic study module. So you're going to have your question on your left-hand side and your answers on your right-hand side. And the cool thing about this is if you're not sure what's the right answer, you can gonna go ahead. As you can see, I've practiced some. You're gonna go ahead and click on half. So for example, I'm unsure that this is the answer, and I'm unsure if this is the answer. You're gonna go ahead and also receive the feedback on it. So you were unsure and incorrect on both of the answers. So again, for example, if you're sure that it's this one, you can go ahead and fully click it, or if you're sure if it's that one, you're sure and incorrect, and you are unsure, but one of these are correct. After a while, you're going to go ahead and get some feedback. If you click this drop down menu, you're going to have your progress. You can see your estimated time to complete, accuracy, and progress. Overall, this just adapts to your performance, and it kind of gives you immediate feedback, which helps you identify the knowledge gaps that you have, which is great because you end up learning what you don't know rather than repeating what you do know. Also, as you can see, there's a lot going on, so I encourage you guys to test out everything and see what you like and the different styles of learning. There's always something new and something that I might not have showed in this video. So I just want to thank you guys for watching the video, going through the tutorial with me, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your semester.